Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing about this mini food chopper. Mm, Mini food chopper. So I bought this because my wife, she need something small like this to make some vegetables and fruits, or probably you can use for a lot of stuffs. So let's open it and see how it looks like. I just bought it from Amazon uh, .com. So it's the brand is Brentwood. It's called Brentwood. So this is a good chopper, or like mixer, we can call it, whatever you want to call it. So let's open it. If you guys like it, so I have the description, the link in the description. You can buy it from over there if you want. So this is the manual, if you can see it. Brentwood Appliances Mini Food Chopper. So let's open it up. Is there anything that I want to read or no? Anyway, this is the manual. Just leave it. So let's put this one back here and show you this mini chopper and open it. So this looks beautiful, guys. You see, this looks awesome, looking beautiful. Let's open it. So I don't know how to open. Probably I can open it from here. Right there. So it says off. It's on and it's off. So it's basically easy, but because it's my first time, I never opened it and I didn't know, because it has a tape right there. Okay, so this looks beautiful, guys. If you like to get a mini chopper, like a mixer, a small mixer for your house, you don't need like a big stuff, big things to occupy more space in your kitchen. This is really small, and see the blades inside. Look, it's really small and something useful. This looks good. If you like it, guys, just pick it up from this link from the description, and I'm going to try some stuff now and show you guys how it works. Okay. Okay, guys. For this mixer or mini food chopper, I'm going to try this apple and see how it works and how it makes it as it shows in the picture. So let's try and see how it works. Okay, let's open it. Get the knife. Just put some pieces of apple. I just try with the apple because the vegetables must be, they're all the same thing. Let's plug in and see how this works, guys. let's close it. Close this bad boy. I want to clean up before my wife gonna be mad, 'cause I always make things messy. Okay, I plug it and let's go. Wow, guys, this actually works. Guys, look at that. You see, this actually works even for fruits. Look at this. Oh my god, this worked, guys. This is one of the base mixer or mini mixer for almost like anything in your kitchen. So I hope you like this review, guys. If you like it, just like it and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to buy this bad boy, just pick it up from my description. The link is below in my description, and just buy it. It's very useful. And see you with the next review. Have a good night if you're at night. If you're daytime, have a good day. Take care, guys. Bye bye.